Whew.
Oh.
I remember last time you were...
Did it work? Oh boy.
How are you feeling?
So I'm feeling really good overall after the last
Heck yeah.
adjustment. I don't have that popping and I don't have that constant pain in this hip.
Okay, good.
So overall I'm feeling really good. I guess I'm here for maintenance.
Heck yeah. I remember last time you were... You're like...
Oh yeah.
Really gonna do it?
Did it work? But yeah, so I feel good. I did faint the day before Halloween, so that's why I kept the appointment. I suppose I could have pushed it.
Okay.
I do feel fine, but then I thought I better just keep the appointment in case something...
What the heck happened?
I had a lot going on. I wasn't sleeping well. That particular day, I had to wake up at 5:30. I was going to walk dogs at the Humane Society.
Okay.
So I had to be there by 6:30. I woke up at 3:30. I didn't go back to bed.
Oh,
so I'd only gotten a
jeez.
few hours of sleep. And then I had all kinds of stressors. I have a home renovation going on.
Yeah.
And then I didn't eat all day. I was banking my calories for pizza at 4 o'clock. And my favorite, they do pizza by the slice. So I was gearing up for that. I popped a gummy before I went. And then I was probably dehydrated. It was all the things.
Oh, yeah, like...
I literally passed out. They wheeled me out of there on a stretcher.
Oh.
But I'm okay. So I thought I better keep it. I was a little sore, but I felt okay.
Dang.
Yeah, so.
Okay.
But I've been eating really well, staying hydrated, doing all the things I'm supposed to do.
Dang. All right.
Yeah.
Well, glad that I got you.
Yeah. So I don't know. I guess I'm just here for maintenance.
Cool.
But everything is feeling better here.
Good. Yeah, I know that was like the
That was
biggest one for you.
Yeah, and I'm not clicking. I was just raising my leg up because I haven't tested it for a while.
Dang. All right. Let me take your hat. Perfect. And then you can slide those off. I will have you go face down on the table. All right, right is just a little bit short. Let me know if there's any pain or tenderness. No pain with any of that, right? Good. Start up top here. Whew.
Wow.
Dang.
Wasn't expecting that.
Yeah, that thing like clunked back in.
Maybe I did have more going on.
Right?
Oh.
Good.
Oh.
Dang.
Oh. See, I'm always, I don't crack a lot. Like,
That one did? Are you kidding?
it did?
Holy crap, you'll see.
Okay.
Yeah, when I go to
Yeah.
go into editing and yeah, on that crack, you'll be like,
Oh.
you'll be amazed. That was like 4 or 5 there actually.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, that's why I wasn't sure because I think last time we didn't get
Yes.
any of that at all even. And then I remember on like next when I do the seated lumbar,
Yes.
those I don't think
No.
moved at all last
No,
time.
and I let you know beforehand I was nervous that I wouldn't crack.
Yep, I remember that. Let me have you sit up and then yeah, go, yep, one leg on each side. Well, let's see. I mean, that one, I know last time didn't go at all. So for it to go this time,
Yeah.
who knows if that lower like that goes?
Yeah, maybe it will.
Yep,
Did it?
yep. Yeah, there was about 2 in there that just went.
Oh, let's see. I can see it.
No, there was nothing there though.
Okay.
The first one though, yeah, there was
Yeah.
about 2 in there. Which that was more than last time.
Yes,
So
it was.
yeah, because last time I think I even like put you on the side and we were going through.
Yeah. I did crack maybe on the side.
Mm-hmm. But I'm glad that hasn't been popping or whatnot. Good. And actually up here doesn't feel bad at all.
Yeah, it's just like normal tension.
Yeah. Yeah, nothing like crazy going on.
Can you normally feel it when there's?
Yeah, like the lady before you. Oh God, this was awful up here on her. Let's check those shoulders. Good. Good there too. Go face down again for me. Let's recheck that leg length. Spot on, no?
Nice.
Good. Yeah, good movement in here.
Yeah.
Dude, I mean, I feel like it's like a whole different person than the last time.
Yeah. Oh yeah, because I was very tense. I had a huge crack up here.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Nah, you're good.
Yeah, I feel very good.
Yeah, that like.
Really loose and
Yeah, literally. I mean, cause I still remember, cause I mean it wasn't. It was what 3?
yeah.
Yeah, 3 months ago. So it wasn't too far, long ago since I last saw you.
Right.
Flip onto your back for me, please. There we go.
1 second. I was pulling my hair.
Oh. Heck yeah. Rest. Lift it.
Oh!
What did you feel?
I just kind of felt it all up here this time.
Okay.
Yeah. Just a lot of cracking right here.
Okay.
Which seems like maybe that's where I needed it based on that first adjustment.
Right. Though. Yeah.
I don't know.
Like clunked back in.
Yeah. Which would make sense since I fell or fainted.
No, I'm glad though that it didn't like mess you up or anything.
Yeah, me too.
Because sometimes it's not even like the fainting, but the fall. Like you know,
Yeah.
you go down in an awkward position.
Right.
Hit your head. And,
Oh, I know. Because there was like a partition behind me.
Okay.
And so I probably hit that based on what my hat or the floor. I don't know.
Probably scared the heck out of everybody in there.
Yeah,
Oh, shit,
I was. Yeah, I did. I felt horrible. I wanted to just get up and be like, "I'm fine, everybody," but I couldn't.
Yeah.
I couldn't get up. I wanted to, but I just couldn't. And the lady I was sitting next to was a nurse, so I came back to sit down in my seat, and I felt so dizzy. I interrupted her with her friend because we were talking before her friend got there.
Yeah.
And I just let her know. I said, "Hey, I think I'm gonna faint. I hate to interrupt you, but I'm just letting you know. I think I'm about ready to pass out." And then the next thing you know, I woke. I was like coming out of it, and I was like, "Oh my God."
Jeez. I mean, luckily you had,
Yeah.
kind of forewarned her.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah, that's never happened to me before. Just goes to show when you're running yourself thin, it can catch up to you.
Yep.
Yeah, feel good.
Let's go one more time, make sure we got everything.
Oh, okay. Oh. Oh boy, I gotta relax. Okay. Should I keep my hands here?
Yeah.
Oh boy. Oh, that one went lower. Oh boy, my hair's stuck. Okay, got it. Oh boy.
Rest.
That one I felt down here.
Good. So the first one was more upper, and then that one. Good.
Yeah. Yep.
Heck yeah.
Yeah. Whipped right back into shape.
Come on up.
Okay. Oh. Whew.
Yeah, you were.
I was a.
I didn't realize, but yeah, you were due. That's for sure.
I guess so. I felt pretty okay. Man.
But no, I'm glad that hip
Yeah, definitely.
has been good for you.
Yeah, it's such a relief because it's not like I've gone to get any other adjustments. I haven't felt any pinching, like nothing.
Good.
So it's been really nice. I'll probably feel even better after this one.
Oh, I know. Yeah, I think last one, I think there was like 10 or 15 minutes after where you're doing like the, what's it called, like the raquette.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah, I was testing.
Yeah,
Yep.
come on up.
All right.
Around a little bit for me.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I mean, I feel good.
Good. Yeah, no, I'm glad. Because, yeah, I'll even like that first one, I just remembered. And then now with this, even better.
Yeah.
Because you didn't even come in with
Nope.
that bothering you anymore.
Nope, I feel good.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Well, don't overdo it.
No, I'm
Don't
not.
need to.
No. No, I'm not. Yeah, I'm good.